And this your 2-minute testimonial, and today we're all about the feet, and it's really cool because we've just done some Chapmans Reflexes. Can you go into your flexion, dorsal flexion, up down like you did before? Yeah. So what we had with Julia this morning was that she's had some fractures in this left ankle and had real weakness and instability. Yeah.
Yep.
And what about pain wise through here?
I couldn't touch that.
And what did it feel like?
It felt very grainy, very bumpy,
Yeah.
ridgy.
And how long have you had that for?
Probably about 10 months.
Yeah, okay. So 10 months of rigid, horrible, nasty pain.
Yep.
So today what we did with our Chapmans Reflexes is we turn on our quads and our calves and our shins, our tibialis anterior. Yeah?
Yep.
Yeah. And then what happened after that?
I had better movement. Coming into the workshop, I could not lift on my left side leg. So, and
Wow.
now I have a lot more strength than I had coming into the workshop.
That's very cool. So it's the kind of things that you can get for your clients if you've got people that come to see you who've had spiral fractures and all sorts of nasty things that have gone on. This is the power of neurolymphatic points and how it can help your clients. You come back?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Paula Nutting, over and out.